We'll guide you through how to make 3D text in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want eye-catching text for logos, posters, gaming thumbnails, social media posts, and branding designs. Turning text into objects or 3D styles helps users create professional visuals, customize lettering shapes, and make simple words look more creative and impressive quickly. On desktop, go to the search bar and search for Adobe Illustrator. For this tutorial, we are using Adobe Illustrator 2019 because its tools and layout are easy to follow for beginners and still very useful for creating text effects. After Illustrator is opened, you can choose to create a new file or use an existing file, depending on what you need. You can also choose the Fast Create option for convenience if you want to start quickly. This time we will use the Create New option because it gives more options to customize. Make sure the width and height are set to your liking so the workspace matches your project needs. You can also choose the measurement system that suits you best, such as pixels, millimeters, or inches. Click Advanced Options to show more settings. Choose CMYK as the default color mode because it gives more variety. Select Screen for raster effects since we are not going to print it. After everything looks good, select Create, and your artboard will be ready. On the left side, select the Text tool and click on the artboard. Type the text you want using any word or phrase you like. Drag a corner handle so the text becomes bigger and readable. Use a bold font if possible because thicker letters usually make the 3D effect easier to see. Select the text, go to the Effect menu, and choose Document Raster Effect Settings. Here, make sure the color model and resolution are correct and change them if you want. Higher resolution can make edges smoother and cleaner. Select the text again. Return to the Effect menu and choose the 3D option. You can select a position from the menu or simply drag the model cube until it looks right. Move it slowly until the angle feels balanced and easy to read. Click OK to apply the 3D effect. To make it more readable, add a white stroke to the text. And there you go, the 3D text is ready.